I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
My viewers and subscribers, man, big up on yourself. I don't know, say NEWLINK there, and from NEWLINK production, and we say attack. Well, people, news has reached NEWLINK now that a businessman from Christiana in Manchester is now hospitalized with a bullet to his neck. Yes, people, but it is said that this businessman who was at his business establishment in Manchester, Christiana, people, on Wednesday sometime in the night, when two armed gunmen come inside here for rob him and everything. Well, people, them never know what go on. This businessman was well strapped. So the businessman managed to fire shot at these men, but they managed to fire back shot, people. You get me? I say, when everything done, they found one of the men suffering from gunshot wounds alongside the businessman. When police comes to boom and then bring him to hospital, that gunman was pronounced dead, while the businessman is in hospital under treatment with a bullet to his neck. People, the other one, they don't know when they don't know when gone. But people, gratefulness is him slap one and take one with him. See? Because in the end, as I tell you now, the youth them not choose the right road. The youth them not think. You understand? When the youth them get the piece in them hand, them think it's so easy if you go out there and go do this and go do that. So easy with this piece. You understand? Like them feel say, then can go this and go knock this money and go rob this money, but it don't work so. Because a lot of business people in Jamaica are getting smarter, are getting wiser, and they must strap up themselves and who don't know. And sometimes, you know, not even the business operator who is strapping up, but there can be a man in the business at the time, you know. Maybe you think, the man, you could normal man. But you don't know, say, yo, the man's strapped too. Come and tell you this. Even the man you see a farm nowadays at Jamaica can get him life piece. You understand? Because farming is a big business right now. So even the man we see a farmer in dirty water boot and in dirty clothes, he can have a license piece. So youths, who not choose the road you want. See, that the gratefulness people, as me tell you, me happy say him not dead in the hospital sends a bullet to him neck, and I just hope and pray it not cause nothing for serious effect to his neck. You know, so maybe he can damage certain things, maybe affect him talking, maybe he can't go turn back his neck like so again or something, you know what I mean? But in the end, people, he managed to took out one of his attacker. The other one is gone, but boy, John, I sorry, and then he two of them he took out and slap out people. Because yo, the youth them for think, youth them for be more wiser and stop the foolishness. You don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and we say attack. Peace out. Respect.